Good morning! We are going to be in Maryland today, and if you're wondering what happened to Virginia, because if you watched our last video, we mentioned that we would see you guys there, and there's no video. Well, this is what happened.
Welcome to Shenandoah National Park.
The views are amazing. Unfortunately, today just is not the best day to visit the national park, I guess. We're just kind of stuck in a cloud.
Unfortunately, it's kind of our only day to visit the national park too, so
pretty much it was us hanging out at the trailer, cooking some food, and doing some work, and that just didn't feel like a fun video for you guys. So, we're gonna see you guys in Maryland. We're staying with some friends of ours who also live in a travel trailer, and we're super excited for them to show us around. See you there.
we're at Buddy's Crabs and Ribs in Annapolis, Maryland, and we are eating a hell of a lot of seafood today.
We're here with our friends Josh and Tiina. They're showing us around.
They're also fellow travelers and seasoned and cultured in life.
We'll put a link to their social media down below. Check them out.
Cheers. Round two. So we're at Great Falls, about 15 minutes outside of DC in Virginia. So only like a 40-minute drive, I think, from where we're at in Maryland. So we're gonna do a little hiking with our friends Josh and Tiina and check out some of the natural settings around DC.
That ends our trip in Maryland. Last night we enjoyed our last night with our friends and our gracious host who let us stay at their place, and we really appreciate that. We had a bonfire, a little barbecue with some local meats we picked up, and had overall a great time and a great experience here. And Josh and Tiina, thank you so much for showing us around and getting us some delicious seafood. So we are on our way now to Delaware, and we will see you guys there. there, so we made it to Delaware. We are staying at the Delaware Seashore State Park. It is an RV park that is pretty crowded. It's not the most scenic site, but we're literally next to the inlet and just like a 3-minute walk to the beach, so it's pretty awesome. Let's show you guys around. Hi, baby! Oh! Alright guys, so we made it out to Ocean City. It is just about a 30 to 40 minute drive south into Maryland. So we did leave Delaware, even though we're staying the night there, just to come back to Maryland. But we heard a lot about this place. We're going to check out the boardwalk, maybe grab some drinks, and we can finally see the beach because it's not cloudy anymore. So super excited.
Eating some crab soups and gonna have some crab sandwiches.
So we just got done exploring Ocean City. We didn't get to do a whole lot because a lot of the shops there are closed due to either COVID or due to the fact that it's off season still and they're not open yet. So we are heading back to the camper. We're going to stop at Bethany's Beach, check out the pier, do a little browsing at the shops for some stickers maybe, and see their beach real quick, and then head back home and do a little work. So we'll see you guys there. Be real, Missoula is the real star of this YouTube channel. Right, Mizzy? Yes. So, RV tip for you guys. Get yourselves a backup camera. This one we got for $100 at Walmart. It is wireless, and we can aim it right at the hitch, making backing this truck up to the trailer easy.
You charge it once and then the solar panels take over the rest. There's a LCD monitor inside that you just plug into your cigarette lighter and good to go.
And it prevents a lot of arguments between couples when you're trying to get ready to go. So that's more the reason to get it. Tulsa, give us a flop. Give us a flop.
Flops?
Give us a little floppy flops.
Flops?
And there it is.